Hi everyone, my name is Ratnam. Today we discuss sp3 dehybridization. Okay, before going to this topic, what is the definition for hybridization? The definition for hybridization, the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies so as to redistribution of their energies, resulting the formation of new set of hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and shape. That is the definition for hybridization. Okay, here we discuss sp3 dehybridization. Here how many orbitals are intermixing to form hybrid orbitals? Here generally one s orbital, 3 p orbital and 1 d orbital are intermixing. 5 sp3 d hybrid orbitals are formed. Okay, here how many orbitals are intermixing ma? 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital are intermixing to form 5 sp3d. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are formed. Okay, I am writing words, these lines. Here 1 s orbital, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital are intermixing to form 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are formed. Orbitals are formed. Okay, in sp3d hybridization the bond angle is in sp3d hybridization 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Okay, shape of the molecules in sp3d hybridization is trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Here orbital structure, here 1 s orbital always spherical shape, plus 3 p orbitals are dumbbell shape. We take 3 p orbitals, 2, 3, plus 1 d orbital are intermixing 1, 3, 4, 1, 5 sp3. Here one big lobe, one small lobe. This is sp3d orbital. One more we take sp3d hybrid orbital. Remaining 3 are equatorial orbitals. sp3d okay, sp3d. This is the orbital structure for sp3d hybridization. For example, sp3d hybridization PCl5 is the best example, and one more examples for this. PF5 XeOF2 XeO2F2. Okay. Examples for sp3 dehybridization: PCl5, PF5, XeOF2, XeO2F2. These are all best examples for sp3 dehybridization. Okay, now discuss one example, that is PCl5. Here central atom is phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay, this is ground state electronic configuration in valence shell having 5 electrons, s orbital having 2 electrons, p orbital having 3 electrons only. Okay, here d orbital having 0 electrons, 3d 0. In first excited state, s orbital having 2 electrons, here 1 electron is jumps to directly into d orbital. Okay, in first excited state, here 1 electron is going to d orbital. Now the electronic configuration here: 3s1, 3p3, here only 3 electrons, and d orbital having now 1 electron only, 3d1. Here these are all forms sp3 dehybridization. In PCl5 molecule, phosphorus atom undergoes sp3 dehybridization. Okay, here 5 chlorine atoms is there. For example, chlorine atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Here valence shell having s orbital having 2 electrons, p orbital having 5 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here pz orbital, this one is pz orbital having single electron, remaining 2 orbitals pair of electrons is there. This is 3px, 3py, 3pz. Chlorine of 3pz orbital having single electron. So this 3pz orbital is overlap with sp3 hybridization
sp3d
of phosphorus atom. Okay, now we take sp3 hybridization of phosphorus atom for this orbital structure. S orbital always spherical shape, 3p orbitals is there. Okay, plus 1 d orbital, 1 d orbital. Okay, this gives the sp3d hybrid orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all sp3 dehybridization, sp3 dehybridization, sp3 dehybridization, sp3 dehybridization, sp3 dehybridization. 5 chlorine atoms is intermixing to form sp3d hybrid orbitals. Here chlorine atom having p orbital, that is 3pz of Cl. Finally it gives the structure is this is. Okay, 5 3pz orbitals of chlorine is overlap with sp3d hybridization of phosphorus. They are looking like this, they are looking like this. This is chlorine, 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 chlorine. This is phosphorus. Okay, this is the orbital structure for PCl5 molecule. Okay, here 3 PCl equatorial bonds are present. Okay, 2 PCl axial bonds are present. 3 equatorial bonds. Equatorial bonds and axial bonds. Okay, the general structure for sp3d hybridization: central atom phosphorus, 2 axial bonds and 3 equatorial bonds. Okay, these 3 are equatorial bonds. Okay, this one is axial bonds. Axial bonds. Okay, these 3 are equatorial bonds. Okay, total 5 PCl sigma bonds are present in PCl5 molecule. Okay, here bond angle is 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Shape is trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal shape is present in PCl5 molecule. Okay, this is sp3d hybridization. Okay, thank you.